Caitlin Clark sends nostalgic reaction following boyfriend Conor McCaffrey's latest career move. Caitlin Clark didn't need many words to say a lot. As Conor McCaffrey quietly closed one chapter of his coaching journey, her short message brought out the kind of warmth that only comes from shared history. For two athletes who have grown side by side, their brief exchange felt meaningful. The news broke on April 9, when Conor McCaffrey, 27, shared an Instagram post confirming he would no longer serve as an assistant coach with the Butler Bulldogs. Alongside a set of photos from his time on the sidelines, he wrote, "End of an era. Forever grateful to Coach Thad Matta for the opportunity that he gave me. Learned a lot and worked with great people. Namaskar Majhari halka toker rong. Excited for what's next." What comes next for McCaffrey remains unclear. He did not hint at a destination, leaving room for speculation about whether he will stay in Indiana or explore a different opportunity altogether. Before stepping into coaching, he spent 6 seasons at Iowa, appearing in 166 games and earning a reputation for reliability. Basketball has always been close to home, with his father Fran McCaffrey leading the Hawkeyes program and his brothers also tied to the sport. Through it all, his relationship with Clark has stayed steady. The two began dating in April 2023 during their Iowa days and went public a few months later when Clark shared photos captioned, "Base 10 to summer." Since then, their support for each other has really been subtle. In January, McCaffrey marked Clark's birthday with a heartfelt message, writing, "Happy 24th CC," and adding, "Celebrating you is a privilege and I'm so grateful for the laughter and joy you bring to our everyday lives. Ononto 2026 has so much in store for you. I love you." Clark responded in her own style, reposting the moment with, "Love you." Now, as one steps into uncertainty and the other prepares for a pivotal WNBA season, their paths remain closely linked, even if geography might not always cooperate. Stay updated with the latest news on Times of India. Get all the trending city news, India news, business news, and sports news. For entertainment news, TV news, and lifestyle tips, visit a Times.